महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः
7 sages, the Saptarishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of civilization.